Nithsdale's Welcome Hame. Tune by Robert Riddell, lyric by Robert Burns. William Maxwell, 5th Earl of Nithsdale, was sentenced to death for his role in the Jacobite rebellion of 1715. He, however, escaped from the Tower of London and died in Rome in 1744. His son John died in London in 1776, and John's daughter, Winifred Maxwell Constable, returned from England in 1789, returned to Scotland from England, to build a house on their ancestral lands at Terreagles in Kirkcudbright near Dumfries, near where Burns lived. Burns met her that year and wrote to her on December 16th, 1789 that, "With your ladyship I have the honor to be connected by one of the strongest and most endearing ties in the whole moral world. Common sufferers in a cause where even to be unfortunate is glorious, the cause of heroic loyalty. Though my fathers had not illustrious honors and vast properties to hazard in the contest, though they left their humble cottages only to add so many units more to the unnoted crowd that followed their leaders, yet what they could they did, and what they had they lost. With unshaken firmness and unconcealed political attachments, they shook hands with ruin for what they esteemed the cause of their king and their country." This language and the enclosed verses are for your ladyship's eyes alone. Poets are not very famous for their prudence, but as I can do nothing for a cause which is now nearly no more, I do not wish to hurt myself. Burns Wood published the song in 1792 in the Scots Musical Museum when he was perhaps feeling more secure in his position in his excise job. So the noble Maxwels, the returning family, and their powers are coming o'er the border, and they'll gae big Terreagles towers and set them all in order. Gae big, go build, they'll go build. Here we go. The noble Maxwels and their powers are coming o'er the border, and they'll gae big Terreagles towers and set them all in order. And they declare Terreagles fair, for their abode they choose it. There's no art in all the land but lighter at the news o't. Though stars and skies may disappear and angry tempests gather, the happy hour may soon be near that brings us pleasant weather. The weary night of care and grief may hae a joyful morrow, so dawning day has brought relief. Fareweel, or night of sorrow. If you've heard that before, and it's unlikely you've heard it before, it's an obscure Burns song. But it's been made more obscure by the bungling of the form in the Scots Musical Museum, where their redoubtable musical editor, Stephen Clark, failed to repeat the A part. So he simply put the first 4 lines on the A part, the second 4 lines on the B part, and then he had to repeat them to go through the rest of the B part, not understanding. So it's a tight little song, sweetly intended, and hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. Got a playlist called Songs of Burns. Putting them up one at a time as fast as I can learn them. Thank you.